Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rishabh and you are watching Everyone's Story. So episode 62 to episode 65, official title, summary and their respective release date had come out. And today in this video, I'm going to discuss about it. But before that I suggest you guys to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon to get more this type of related videos in future. And now without wasting any time let me jump straight to the video. Okay, let me start with episode 62. So it's scheduled to be released on 16th of April Friday. Now its official title, Wobagon Jaimon. And now its official summary. Go Mason, which greatly admires Inteleon, has been practicing out boxer-style fighting. And believe it or not, after it saves an unattended Nazonokusa that got into trouble, it evolves into a Jaimon. However, since it thought it had managed to evolve into an Inteleon, it gets really let down when it looks at its reflection in the water and sees it has become a Jaimon. As a result, it secludes itself in a cave, estranging itself even from Go. So basically in this episode you will find that Go Sobal has practicing by his own, since then he meet a Inteleon, so that he could become itself a one. And then finally in the starting of the episode, you will see he was able to save our unattended Oddish from trouble. And then after saving him, he gets evolved into Drizzle, since in starting he will be happy that he has evolved. But when he saw his reflection on the water, he get realized that he has not evolved into a Inteleon, but he has evolved into a Drizzle. There is still a one more evolution to go. So after that he becomes sad, and secludes itself in a cave, he even estranging itself from his trainer Go. Since you guys can say, that almost every part of this episode is in front of us. However it will be still interesting to see, especially I want to know what will happen at the end of this episode, with Go and Drizzle. Although now about episode 63, so it's scheduled to be released on the 23rd of April Friday. And now its official title, Challenge, the Pokemon Water Obstacle Course. Now its official summary, Satoshi and Go are watching the Pokemon Water Obstacle Course, an obstacle course race for Pokemon that takes place in the sea, live on TV. It turns out that Kairi, the partner of the showers that ended up winning the race, is a friend of Sakuragi laboratory aide Kikuna. Koharu saw how fascinated Ibui was with showers, so she decides to visit Kairi together with Satoshi and Go, so it can meet the showers it admires so much. So in this episode you will see that Ash and the others watching a water obstacle race in their television. And while watching the race, Chloe Eevee gets so admires for it, especially by seeing the Vaporeon who is the winner of this race. Since if you guys has watched my special preview discussion video, then I think you guys know that we are also going to see Ash Dracovish in this episode. Also we are going to see Go Dugong, who has actually fallen in love with the Gorbis. And besides all this, I found some of you are thinking that this Vaporeon is Go new capture. So it's not. Because the summary clearly stated that this Vaporeon is of a trainer named Kairi, who is basically the winner of this water obstacle race. However there is no doubt that this episode is a filler one, so there is nothing special to discuss. Although now let me discuss about episode 64. So it's scheduled to be released on 30th of April Friday. Now its official title, The Detested Absol. And now its official summary, Satoshi and Go have received a research request from Hoji in the Hoenn region, a boy Satoshi battled a while ago. It turns out that the hot spring in Hoji's grandfather runs isn't getting any water anymore. The villagers blame the disaster Pokemon Absol, but is this really Absol's doing? Satoshi and Go head to the Hoenn region to pin down the actual cause. So in this episode, Ash and Go had received a research request from Hoji in the Hoenn region. Since I think you guys remember this guy, who had battled with Ash Mr. Mime previously, because he is the one who had sent the research request. Whatever, basically in this episode Hoji grandfather Hot Spring Inn isn't getting any water. And the villagers blame the disaster Pokemon Absol for all this. However I think we had seen similarly type of episode previously, maybe in Johto or Hoenn region. Although just like that, I don't think the problem is because of Absol, but maybe he is the one who is trying to solve it. Since I had seen my comment section, and I know many of you think that Go will catch this Absol. But now after seeing the summary, I don't think anyone will catch this Absol. But still this Pokemon journey's already been an unexpected journey, so anything can happen. Although now let's discuss about episode 65. So it's scheduled to be released on 7th of May Friday. And now its official title, Dragon Battle, Satoshi vs Iris. Now its official summary. One day a letter arrives for Satoshi. It's a battle invitation from Iris, the girl who aims to become Dragon Master. He and the others immediately head for Soryu Gym in the Ishu region. Iris can understand how Dragon-type Pokemon feel, so she detects Satoshi's Karu's feelings. And now a passionate battle between Satoshi and Iris, with advancement to the Pokemon World Championships Hyperclass on the line begins. So finally, Iris' return episode is confirmed. Since in my previous video, I had told you guys that never to believe on any unofficial source. Because I know in starting some fake news spread, that episode 64 is Iris' return episode, but now it's confirmed that episode 65 is Iris' return episode. Whatever, I think you guys know that Iris is also a participant in the Pokemon World Championship. So basically in this episode you will see that Iris had sent an invitation to Ash for a championship battle. Since in summary it's written that Iris will meet Ash Dragonite, and also today morning a scan has come out which suggests we could see a Dragonite versus Dragonite match. However, still up to now it's not confirmed that is it going to be a 2-on-2 battle or is it going to be a 1-on-1 battle. Although there is one more thing to note, that whoever will win this battle, he or she will reach the hyper class. So it's not only going to be an awesome battle, but also it's going to be a very important battle for both Ash and Iris. So there is no doubt that I am very excited for this match. And now that's all for this video. If you guys enjoy it, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon to get more this type of related videos in future. Also don't forget to comment your thoughts about the upcoming events we are going to see. Now at last as always, if you guys like to interact with me, then you can follow me on my social media handles like Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.